Time for technicals then, and Shivangi Sarda joining in, and Kunal Botra, as always, is with us in our studios. Morning to both of you, and Kunal, let's get in a take as to how you've read into the price action yesterday and the fact that we have a very decisive bounce back coming into the global markets. What's that spelling out for us?
I think it's a good sign that the global markets are stabilizing, and the VIX for many of the global indices are coming down. The good part about our markets was we double tested, or we went through a double test of the support for the Nifty as well as for the Bank Nifty. So I think that was around 23,900, which we tested yesterday as well as day before. That was the same for the Bank Nifty, where we tested levels of 51,000 approximately, or slightly below those levels for the banking index. So when we look at both the indices and the fact that both of these indices have come back into a retest of the previous lows, the volumes were a tad bit lower yesterday. So that was an indication of a test on the lower side for a bottom on the indices. But on the upside, what now matters is the breakout of the previous resistances. So 24,500 would probably act as a first bout of a major resistance. And for the Bank Nifty, that would be around 500 to 600 points from yesterday's close. So if both these indices manage to close above these levels, then we can expect that maybe the worst could be behind for both the indices, and we may expect the index to start into a gradual as well as a steady uptrend. But I think if that doesn't happen, then we may just about trade into this 500, 600 point range for the Nifty.
Right. Shivangi, hi, morning. Seems like we're in for further recovery and rebound today. What do you think is going to lead the chart sectorally?
Very good morning. Thank you for having me. So we've seen that, there has been a very smart pullback from the support zones. Bulls have been very smart to buy the dips. And even despite the headwinds from the global market, our Indian markets have been relatively stronger. Now, sectorically, of course, pharma and consumption are the leading pack as of now. But some of the reality space is also showing some strength. So, watch out for these sectors. But definitely, we have IPCA Lab from the pharma space, which looks quite positive, and it's given a consolidation breakout on the daily frame of the last 6 sessions. Even on the weekly basis, we've seen a good amount of buying from the last 5 weeks, consistently higher highs formation here. This stock is looking quite positive, and there is a recommendation of buying here with a target of 1370 and a stop of 1295 levels.